Restaurant365 is a game changer in the food industry, empowering renowned establishments including Wolfgang Puck, IHOP, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, Wendy's, and many others. We're going to speak with the CEO and co-founder, Tony Smith, about plans for expansion, community outreach, and the recent unicorn status it achieved with a $135 million funding round, only on Taking Stock.
We help restaurants manage most of what goes on in their establishments. So that's from controlling their food costs, managing their labor, running their accounting, their payroll, all of the store operations. So it's a very broad software system.
Is it true that it's the world's first all-in-one back-end system for restaurants?
Yes, we're the only one that does everything that we're offering there that I just mentioned.
Restaurant365 just achieved unicorn status with $135 million in funding. Tell me what's next? How does this contribute to the company's broader goals?
Yeah, it was interesting. We weren't out raising money, but some great groups were leaning in towards us. And as we chatted with a number of them, we found some really good fits for some new partners that we could bring on board. And so with that, we did the fundraise this year, and it was really successful for us to have some money available that we can continue to advance our cause.
And tell me more about your expansion plans.
Yeah, our main investments throughout the course have been on the R&D side, so creating new product that adds value to restaurants. And I mean, each year we invest more than $30 million in creating this new product, and so that money will go to good use.
Can you talk to me more about the educational programs for industry professionals?
Well, that's been exciting. Lately we've been rolling that up with hospitality education programs, especially in universities and colleges, where we can get connected with them and help create some curriculum around the restaurant industry as a whole. And also for some of these professionals that want to work in the restaurant industry long term, we can educate them on the technology that they can use. From
where you sit, tell me how the restaurant industry has really evolved through the years.
One of the things we've seen, we've been in business about 12 years, so I'll go back that far.
Okay.
And one thing we saw there was a lagging adopter of technology. So many things were manual, and you'd have clipboards hanging on every wall, and a lot was managed that way. And over these last 12 years, our solution and others have evolved and allowed restaurants to do things a lot more digitally that helps them to keep up in the industry.
Now, you're here at the New York Stock Exchange, the epicenter of global financial markets. What would you like to tell investors?
We're going to keep charging forward.
Yeah.
We're going to keep investing in our product. We see a lot of growth and expansion out there, new ways that we can add value to restaurants. That's really what our passion is. I always say to our company, AAV, always add value. And so we'll just continue to focus on that and invest in what we're doing.
AAV, always add value. Thank you so much, Tony, for joining me today.
Yeah, such a pleasure.